Hey guys, Patrick here, and today I want to show you this incredible dash camera that's sent to me with a brand. This is from WOLFBOX, and this is their brand new X5 Duo Smart Dash Cam. So let's open this up. We will look at it for the first time together, do an unboxing, see everything that's included, and then I will do a follow-up video actually showing you having this installed and what the quality looks like. I have had stuff from WOLFBOX in the past, and it has always been absolutely phenomenal, so I expect this to be the same. So let's open this up. Very, very nice packaging first and foremost. Really like that. Fantastic box. Here's some information for you on the side. This does have 4K plus 2.5K dual channel. You have voice control, STARVIS 2, and it's touchscreen. That is super slick. Here is the 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, GPS, image stabilization, and HDR. That is really nifty. Here right on top, we're going to have a little sheet that's going to show us all of the different ports and parts of the camera. That is very convenient just to quickly know what is what. Tells you what all the little different buttons do. I really like that. And here is the actual box. So inside the box, it looks like we're going to have a few separate boxes. So up here, we're going to have our power supply, our adhesive slipcover, and a USB-C power and data transfer cable. Second box, we're going to have a rear cam cable, the little tool to put the cable up in your headrest area, and then five cable clips. And down here, we're going to have our user manual and an electrostatic sticker. So let's take these out, see what they all look like. Again, this packaging is crazy nice. Take these out. Got our user manual. And then here is the actual dash cam. That looks really nice. This is in a nice form-fitted foam, which is really good, in my opinion, for shipping to keep it nice and safe. Here is the actual main dash camera. That is really freaking nice looking. You got a little protective cover piece on the lens, so you can take that off. And this front camera is adjustable. I really like that. So when you have it mounted on your actual dash, you can then adjust this to whatever angle is going to be best for you. It looks like that does adjust up, down, left, and right. That is really cool. You got your screen here. You got your mode buttons down here. So you've got mode, your down button, up button, and your OK button. Power button here, and then you've got a little spot here. If you pop that open, you've got a spot here for an SD card, and it looks like there is one already included, which is pretty darn nice. This is a 64 gigabyte WOLFBOX SD card. That's really cool. If you haven't used dash cams in the past, I really like that, because if it's going to record something, if you get an accident or something, it's very nice to have that right there saved on it. So that is our main camera. This is going to be the additional camera for the back. And we've got the little port that you'll actually put this on the dash itself. And then this will lock in right here. So your main camera attaches right here. Slide that in. That locks right into place. That's really cool. And then this has an adhesive. You'll just stick that, and this you can adjust. So this is going to be attached to your window, your windshield. So you can adjust that up and down, get that where you want it, and then you can actually adjust the front camera. So that's really cool. Lots of adjustability. Here's where you can plug it in right here to get power to it. So you plug it in here and connect it to here. Now you've got your power. For your rear camera, you got your power supply right here, USB-C. Just plug that in and peel this off. You can stick that. And then what's nice too is you can adjust this a bunch. So you have a lot of adjustability with both of these cameras. That's really cool. I like that a lot. Here's going to be the clips and the tool and the rear camera cable. So the rear camera cable is a lot longer, because you're going to plug this into your rear camera, and then you'll be able to run this cable all the way up and plug it in right here. So you'll have both cameras right here where you can see them on the screen. And then it comes with this tool, which is really nice. You can pry up the edge of the headliner and tuck these cables in. To be honest, I don't ever do that with the dash cameras because one, I very rarely have anybody with me, and two, I'm lazy. But if you wanted to make it look nice and clean, you definitely could do that, and it comes with the tool, which is really nice. That is what's in this box, as well as a couple clips. What's nice with these clips is depending on where you're putting it, you could also, with this little adhesive, take this back off, put it where you want. And then with these little clips, you can slide the cable in there. So if there's a few spots you're not able to tuck this in or you don't want to, you can attach these little adhesive things and put your cable in here along. That's really nice. So that's what is in that box. Our next box, we're gonna have our power supply, our adhesive slip cover, and a USB cord. All right, so here is the USB-C cord. Here's gonna be our main power cord. So this will plug into your cigarette lighter. And then this will plug into the actual dash cam itself. And what is really nice is if you see right here, there is a USB port. So if you're going to plug this in, you're not losing the ability to then plug other items in and charge it. That's really nice. And with that little tool I showed you, you can hide the cables under your headliner. So that is a really nice little feature. So you also have this little slip cover you can attach if you wanted to cover that. Those are all really nice features. And for our last little box, it's going to be our user manual. Always good to keep this around. I almost always will reference these to get the details about different features on the dash cameras, how they work, how I want them to work. And then you get these little sheets. Now what's nice about these is once you clean your windshield, where you want to put it, you'll then take this, peel this off, and then you'll attach this to the windshield. And then from there, you can actually attach the sticky part there. So it's not directly onto your windshield, which is really nice. So just pretend this is our windshield. We've got this attached like so. And now you've got your dash camera. Overall, this is a fantastic package. It looks and feels very high quality. It's got STARVIS 2, which is incredible. WOLFBOX makes killer products. I am sure this is going to be fantastic as well. So I will make another video showing you having this installed and let you see what the video quality is. But I can tell you just from the build quality and the packaging, this thing is probably fantastic, and I would definitely recommend it because WOLFBOX makes fantastic products. I hope this helps.